hear that the flyer boy is dead. Find me another flyer boy so I can kill him instead. How am I supposed to run a war out here with no boys? And right near a Yumi base. This just grand.
My men grow restless guarding this insufferable fleck of ice they call Lorn 5. Though I do not blame them. Blood was meant to flow hot and free, not to run cold and sluggish. By Khorne, I should be commanding crusades. But this world, see how it denies me even my most basic pleasures.
Then perhaps I can provide you with some sport, yes? Our hunters clipped the wings of the shuttle-carrying war boss Gorguts. He recently united the other Orc clans. I believe he survived the crash.
Yes! Finally some sport! Eliminating Gorguts will send the Orcs reeling! But tell everyone that I alone will claim his head! By nightfall, we'll drink a toast from his skull! What counts as a war? I'm insulted that he thinks he can destroy my base with his pitiful rabble of orcs. I will crush him and his men for that affront.
That's it, boys. Time to show these Yumis a real war. Time to take this here world for us orcs once and for all.
Forsaken us.
Carcass old Gorguts, the biggest, baddest war boss of all the boys. Not good enough, Yumi. You can't touch me behind this here sparkle thingy.
That shield won't protect you forever, coward. And when the shield shatters, I will sink my teeth into your neck.
Do your worst. Yous ain't got the teeth to take the likes of me.
How that misbegotten wretch Gorguts acquired a shield of that strength is beyond me! Still, a shield like that requires substantial power. Once I find the power source, I can destroy it and render Gorguts defenseless! No! I will not be outwitted by the likes of you. I will destroy this world before I let you escape! I've located the power source of Gorguts' force field. I must destroy it quickly before he reacts. Damn the luck! The force field generator lies on the far side of Orc territory. We must either slaughter our way through, or send raptors and horrors over the walls and attack the Orcs at their weakest points.
Too late, Yumi. I was already gone.
Wretched idiots could kill a doom. Take me to the temple. Take me to I must beseech Khorne for better soldiers. Over in the temples to the blood god. With every step, they will call forth the righteous fury of the berserkers. The temples can also infuse us with the glorious energies of the war. Do it. Summon the berserkers now. And scatter your enemies to the winds! Yes! Yes! Khorne rewards us with his most devout disciples! Khorne Berserkers! Orcs dare attack one of Khorne's sacred temples! Stop them quickly, before we anger the blood god for this affront! Me! I heard you the first time!
serve, Master.
Do not trifle with me, worm! I am invincible!
Anything for the great powers. Yes, yes! We will work faster!
Break their backs!
For the dark gods! At your command! We ride to battle! We will deliver pure evil into the heart of the battle! We ride to battle! We will deliver pure evil into the heart of the battle! As quickly as we can! With great haste, to spread the taint more quickly!
This is the last time I seethe with purpose.
Where can we take the
This is the last time!
Where can we take the armies of chaos? Where can we take the armies
Show
of chaos?
me the enemy. We
For
played
the
your
dark gods! Transport ready! Where can we take the armies of chaos? My lord! The path to ruin. Yes. On our way! Transport ready. The best way to travel. We will deliver pure evil into the heart of the battle. With great haste, to spread the taint more
power
quickly.
is here.
The best way to travel. As quickly as we can.
I understand more than you could possibly
fight back.
know. Chaos is the only true answer.
Where can we take the armies of chaos? The best way to travel. We are under attack! The best way to travel. With great haste, to spread the taint more quickly. With great haste, to spread the taint more quickly. The winged sacred chaos raptors ready to kill Ashen Wish.
Oh, you! Get away from that power thingy!
We need a new driver. This one is dead.
Ashen Wish. As quickly as we can.
Back off. The power source is destroyed, and Gorgas is defenseless. Now is my turn.
Meeting
The
resistance.
sparkle thingy broke! Where's that mech boy for a glitching at? I'm gonna beat him to a pulp
It
with
is
his
as though
own
1,000
tools!
mouths cry out in pain. Oh, are we
We are
leaving
taking
so
fire
soon?
time. Where can we take the armies of chaos?
destroyers! We are the destroyer! Enemies! We need enemies. Of course, we do your bidding.
Where can we take the armies of chaos?
I feel the warp overtaking me. It is a good pain.
The weak fight back!
Destroy! Destroy! We will strip the flesh from their bones!
We are under attack! Death to the enemy! Destroy the weak! Death to the enemy!
Destroy! Destroy! They hear their doom approaching. Feast on their flesh.
You will be killed by traitor's hands!
I see the purpose. Once more into the fray! Do you hear the voices too? What? Where's that artillery coming from?
Looks like the Imperial Guard's come to kick your can!
Fool! We'll both die on this misbegotten ball of ice. You'll make a lovely mound of snow. Unless we charge their lines before they tighten their noose!
What do you mean, charge the line? Tell you what, you goes your way, I go mine, and we'll see who comes out the other side.
What? Gorguts! Where in the warp are you going? Gorguts! Damn him! I'll charge the lines alone then, and kill him when I next see his bloodshot eyes! Kill them all!
That club almost got me good, that's what I... Time to learn these stupid unis a lesson and getting squished. Let's go! But first, I need me more boys! Time to put out the special call. Hey, boys! Where ya? That's what I was thinking. This is great! More boys? It's like you read me mind. You ain't no weird boy, is ya?
Wardrake is the first to the fight!
They won't see us coming. Whatever. Attack! my mark, charge! On my mark.
We'll frag him to Zog! Whatever. The boss? Who is getting shot up? We'll clobber him good. Point, we go! Wake up, boys! It's time for fighting! Chew him up and spit him out! Orcs is made for fighting!
Show my trigger too.
If you say so. You point, we go. Wake up, boys. It's time for fighting.
Hey, that there building works pretty good. Just needs some red paint and some fixing, and it's like new. Hey, Drots, come here. See that building? Well, you gets to fix it real good, or I stomp you in the head till I get bored.
Oh, hey, boss.
Wartrace is as shooty as there is. Wartrace is the first to the fight. Wartrace is as shooty as there is. Wartrace is the first to the fight. Wartrace is the first to the
Boss
fight.
is meant for fighting and
Wartrace
winning.
is as shooty as there is. Wartrace is as shooty as there is. Wartrace is the first to the fight. Wartrace is as shooty as there is. Wartrace is as shooty as there is.
Oh, hey, boss.
Wartrace is the first to the fight.
I want to get stuck in with the boys.
Oh, hey, boss. Orcs is made for fighting. Time to get stuck in, boys. Oh, yeah? Now's the time for tearing things up. Oh, hey, boss.
Wartrace is as shooty as there is.
Here we go.
The last UV
go.
base. Last one there's a rotten corpse. You think I'm kidding? I'm killing the last one there that ain't me. Run, you Gretchen lovers.
If you say so. Here we go.
We is the orcs, and you is not.
Wake up, boys! It's time for fighting!
New point, we go!
Wardrake is the first to the fight!
Where's the orcs and you is not?
There's too many of
Orcs
them!
is the biggest and the strongest. Orcs is the biggest and the strongest.
If that's what you want.
I have the power of Gork. This is great! More boys! It's like you read me mind. You ain't no weird boy, is ya?
Wardrake is as shooty as there is!
Use the boss. We'll move real sneaky like. Use the boss. They won't see us coming. If that's what you want, attack! Use the boss. We'll smash them up, but good. We'll frag them to Zog.
Wake up, boys! Time to fight!
Wardrake is the first to the fight!
If that's what you want, we'll move real sneaky like. If that's what you want.
Stop! Please! I'll tell you whatever you want. I'll tell you everything.
Why are you here on my world? Answer me, and I'll show you mercy.
We were assigned to retrieve a Titan at Dominatus. It was badly damaged in the defense of this world ages ago. We were hoping to repair it.
Titan! What that?
Power unimaginable, Gorguts. A war machine unlike any other. A weapon to devastate worlds, entire star systems even. If I could gain control of the Titan, none could stand in my way. I'd be a god. Organize your forces, Gorguts, and let us be done with these Imperial Guardsmen. Afterwards, we'll settle matters between us.
Sounds good, Troll. I'll gather the boys, and once I crush the Umis, I'll help you bleed something good.
Not unless I crush you under the Titan's heel first, Gorguts.